yabona ngiyibonile ibantekenteke besidiyazele siyiwela idefense esikhukhuni up until yazi yafika ezingeni lokuthi ifense ingasa
defense
ifense yabo Khadoso defender lesikhukhuni uke wenza lento engihlezi ngiyisho yabona uma su defender usubheka ipali lakhe leya clearance leyana ibe away mhlambe ngo1 meter from ipali because bekuyi cross edeliver kamnandi ecinga umdlalo weSundowns yabo ebesingazi ukuthi yini abezoyenza ngaleyo cross yabo so ukungena kwa Monapule Saling the game changer
ungene keep assist in 2 minutes
angazi what was the reason iPirates yenza lento eyenzayo once umdlali wane performance wangaba kuma favorites uyacindezela lapha until first game yakhe first 2 minutes wakhe first assist wabulala indoda kamnandi wangena eboxini wakhipha ipass yazama idefender ukuyiblocker le pass yadlula ngenkani yahlangana nembi la ithutha zavele zalifaka enethini la ngena igoli lesibili yaphaphama iSundowns ya-attacker iSundowns okunye ke ngikubonile defense iSundowns iliphethe ibhola mayiphethe ibhola uyedwa uSaling sesibonile ukuthi ubani game change akamniki on